Hello everyone, this is Techno Vibez 360. Today, we're diving into the world of premium smartwatches with a head-to-head look at the Apple Watch Ultra and the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. Both of these top-tier devices boast impressive features, rugged designs, and hefty price tags. But how do they really compare? Stay tuned as we break down the similarities, differences, and what sets each one apart. Let's get started. Introducing the Apple Watch Ultra, designed as a premium addition to the Apple Watch lineup. This model justifies its higher price with a larger battery and a few rugged features for enthusiasts. Similarly, Samsung has unveiled the Galaxy Watch Ultra, also at the top of its lineup with an extra premium price, bigger battery, and rugged features for those willing to pay more. There's been a lot of talk online about how the new Galaxy Watch Ultra is a copycat of the Apple Watch Ultra, and it's true to a large extent. But as I've mentioned before, I don't mind if companies copy each other, as long as they're copying the good stuff, because that ultimately benefits us as customers. However, in this case, Samsung may have taken it a bit too far. Both watches share several similarities. They have the same name, are positioned as the most expensive in their respective lineups, and match in durability specs with titanium bodies, 100mm water resistance, and sapphire glass displays. Both also feature dual-frequency GPS for high accuracy and 3000 nit bright displays for outdoor visibility. Each comes with 3 default bands. The Apple Watch Ultra offers an Ocean Band, Trail Loop, and Alpine Band, while Samsung's Watch Ultra comes with a Marine Band, Trail Band, and Peak Form Band. It's a classic case of, can I copy your homework, but make it slightly different? Both watches also feature 3 buttons, including a special orange button. Apple's Action button and Samsung's Quick button are customizable, with default settings for starting workout selectors. In terms of software, Samsung's Watch Face, heavily inspired by Apple's, has complications around the corners and a monochrome night mode. Both watches use a similar mechanic to change watch faces and have a blob of icons to scroll through apps. Even the double pinch gesture from Apple has been adopted by Samsung. Despite all these similarities, there is one feature that Samsung didn't include, which I think would have made a significant difference: the rotating bezel. While Samsung might argue that a rotating bezel wouldn't meet the military-grade certification of the rest of the watch, I believe most users would prefer it over the certification. The rotating bezel would have been a standout feature, especially for fitness enthusiasts who might struggle with a touchscreen during workouts. There are a few unique aspects of the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. It works with Android phones, has a customizable and functional Wear OS, and offers a full-size keyboard that's easier to type on. Most impressively, its battery life often matches or exceeds that of the Apple Watch Ultra, especially with light use, offering about 25% better standby time. In conclusion, while the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra borrows heavily from the Apple Watch Ultra, it remains a great product by copying the good features. However, with the Samsung Watch 7 offering similar features at half the price, the Galaxy Watch Ultra might be harder to recommend unless you specifically want a bigger battery and extra rugged features. Including a rotating bezel could have justified the higher price and distinguished it further from the Apple Watch Ultra. Nonetheless, this is one of those Samsung products that clearly draws inspiration from its competitor, and it won't be the last. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.